Hey everybody, it's your boy JR back with another video. Alright, so I'm gonna make a vase or a vase or actually it's really I don't know what they're called. Anyway, you'll see when it's when it's done. Anyway, I really wanted to go for a natural effect, natural look. So I'm using like some dead leaves, some almost middle stage leaves, dried leaves, some bark, all nature's things. I wanted some dirt, but we'll see. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add that in there. Anyway, so certain things I'm just going to actually use. Oops, use that shadow. Use the some resin to lie some things down there and keep them flat, and then I'm going to go in with some 2-part resin after the fact. All right, so let me get some mixed up, and actually I'm not sure if I'm going to add this lake green to tint it, but we'll see. We shall see. Alright, so I'm going to take all these out, and I'm going to start using the UV to get these things situated. So stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to resin these things in, all these little small bits and things in there, so they won't be floating around when I add the 2-part resin. So I'm gonna do all that and then come back. I'm just gonna make a little design, but I ain't doing nothing special. Just yeah. So that's all I'm gonna do, and I'm not gonna bore you with that. I'll just show you the end result. Alright guys, back with the mixed up resin. This is let's resin. 1, 2, 1. All right. Now, I'm scared I'm gonna get bubbles, even though I got all the bubbles out of there. I'm scared this is gonna make bubbles, but I have no choice. I hear your voice. Feels like. Anyway, all right. So, why am I so scared and nervous? I don't know. You know what I do want to do though? I want to put some on the side with a drop, and I mean a drop of this lake green. I don't know which is the best way to even start. Do I start at the bottom? I don't know. No. Let me start here. Okay guys, I'm back with some more resin that I mixed up, and just get it out of this chamber here. Take it out of the chamber. Ugh. Okay, got it. As you can see, wow, the bubbles are like almost none. Alright, but I am scared that all of these is gonna cause a lot of bubbles. So I'm gonna pour slowly, but just Alright, I guess that's it for this. The next time you see it, it will be the molding time. Peace for now. Alright, it's your boy Jay. I'm back. Back. To demold this. Now, I will say, so I made I made raindrops on the other side, but then covered it in clear, so that didn't make sense. So ignore the raindrops that I did in the beginning. Also, I'm pretty sure on the other side I'm missing some resin that didn't reach. I'm pretty sure. But whatever, it is what it is. Let's demold it. It was an experiment or a test or a tryout. I mean, I like whatever. Let's just see. Okay, shall we? Let's remove it from the here. Okay, well, that moved out very nice, actually. Okay. get out the middle part. Oh, will it come out like? Ooh, okay, the middle part's not coming out. Alright, this is a little harder than I thought. I'm gonna break this mold. Alright, let me see if I can loosen it. Oh, there it is. Got it. Alright, guys. Alright, are we ready? Molds, thank God the mold's still in good shape. Are you ready? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay. Well, nothing a little top coat can't fix. It's really kind of cool, actually. Wow, not as many bubbles as I thought it was going to be. Wow. I might just put a top coat on this bitch and call it a day. Wow. Wow. A little bit of bubbles there. Okay, I am not mad at this. I am not mad at it. I ain't mad at that. That's what's up. And give it a top coat. That's what's up. Wow, this is not bad. Wow. Alright. Wow. I'm really not mad. I'm gonna fix the back. Well, whatever. These are easy fixes. I'm really not mad at this. I really like it, actually. I really like it a lot. And I really thought I messed it up. Wow. Okay. Well, here it is. Alright, guys. That's it. I'm gonna call this what it is. The finished product. And yeah, I'm going to just give it a nice little top coat. And that's it. Thank you for watching. It's your boy, yeah. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell so you'll be notified, and leave a comment. It's free. It's your boy, yeah. Peace.